Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And by the time of this video, you guys already know what's going on. Another day, another car meet video, and we're gonna be checking out the Krispy Kreme car meet, which of course is a car meet and get to enjoy some donuts at the same time, so that's pretty cool. Super excited to see what type of cars pull up at the Krispy Kreme meet. I think it'll be pretty cool, you know, a nice little short video for you guys in the middle of the week, so why not, right? I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's see what type of cars pull up and what I can film for you guys, and yeah, leave a like on this video, and yeah, let's go. Sheesh. That is one of the cleanest 240s I've ever seen, bro. Like, holy. The little like extension right here, this just like screams like JDM vibes right here. Like, that is beautiful. And look at this, right next to the Sylvia. That's dang crazy. Jeez, dude. Bro, look at all the 240s. Holy, look at that, another GR86. You see, I'm telling you. All right, guys, so check it out. Right now, we are heading over to the next spot. The Krispy Kreme meet is kind of over. It's kind of getting a little bit dead over there, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to the next spot for you guys. All right, made it to the second meet. I think that was the Jetta that was going crazy. I gotta get him, you know? This guy's swinging it. Oh gosh, what is going on, man? Is that a Cruze? A Chevy Cruze? What is going on here? Holy snap, it looks like everybody's doing it. What is going on right now? Yo! Oh no! Oh no! And it got shut down, boys. I think the Cruze took off.
Are you recording this shit too, bro?
Yeah, man. Got some Z's that was here, but meet is pretty much over. Cops came. I don't know where the Cruze went, guys. I think it left, but I don't know. This thing turned into a takeover, which I do not like. So that guy down there just drifted and tried to run, and the cop just pulled up on him. Wow. I have never seen a meet empty so fast in my life. Like, this is crazy. Alright guys, I'm pretty much gonna end it there. I hate the fact that it turned into pretty much a little takeover near the end right there. I mean, it's content for you guys, but I mean, I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I know this is a lot shorter. It's not a very long video, but I figured I'd drop something in between the week here just to give you guys something to watch. And yes, there'll still be a video on Friday, so definitely stay tuned for that. Before I close off, please be sure to give this video a fat thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, guys. It's gonna be a pretty interesting summer, hopefully. But anyway guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, stay humble, stay blessed.